What is up, everyone? Welcome to Get Technical. My name's Scott. Today we're going to be talking about the 3 reasons why founders and entrepreneurs should strive to be a bit more technical. You've probably asked yourself things like, what's a front-end engineer do? Well, they build pretty shit. But that's not all they're concerned about. They're concerned about web security, web performance, localization, and internationalization, among other topics that we'll cover later. Well, that's front-end. What's a backend engineer do? Well, they're concerned with things like server-side logic, data warehousing, and building APIs, all terms we're going to cover in the future. All right, enough explaining stuff. Let's give you what you came here for. The 3 reasons why entrepreneurs and co-founders should strive to be more technical. Reason number 1, you'll just make less costly mistakes. Changing architecture patterns or technologies will be exhausting for you and your team as your product develops. That being said, you're going to spend less time building features, fixing bugs, and shipping things that will enable you to get more customers or retain your existing customer base. Let's say you need to make a decision about a payment service provider, so you pick one. Great. Then a few months later, you realize your technology has matured enough to where a crucial part of your application is no longer compatible with the payment service provider that you had chosen. But maybe if you did a little bit more research and you were more technical, you would have picked something that's a bit more flexible like Stripe. Not saying that we can predict everything long term, but we can make better decisions earlier on to save time, money, and resources in the long term. Okay, let's move on from number 1. Reason number 2, improve your communication skills. Who doesn't think that communication is important regardless of what you do? It's really important to be able to communicate what you need clearly and be able to bridge the gap between technical and non-technical people on your team so that as your product and team grow, you're able to have these conversations with various departments. You're the boss after all. All right, this is our last item, reason number 3. Understanding the components it takes to build your product. Essentially, your business is a bunch of shit that looks pretty and functions well to make you money. Why is this important? Why isn't this important? Understanding the components it takes to build your product will allow you to make decisions and cost-benefit analysis of the components as you go. For example, can we keep this component short-term, long-term? Do we have to keep it, or can we throw it away? This is crucial to your momentum and success as a company as you keep moving forward. And understanding the building blocks of what your product is made of is a crucial first step to achieving that. Let's just be honest with each other. Making better decisions in the short term probably isn't going to make you $1 million. What will make you $1 million is making better decisions over a long period of time to get you closer and closer to your goal with making fewer and fewer mistakes. There you have it, everyone. The 3 reasons why co-founders and entrepreneurs should strive to be a bit more technical. We covered making less costly mistakes, improving your communication, and finally, understanding the components it takes to build your product. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions about any of the topics we covered today. Look out for our videos, including what does a front-end engineer do, why engineers tell you they can't build things in your code base, and what a backend engineer does. Thank you so much. See you later.